Good afternoon to the students present in the session. Waiting for people to join. By the time instructions already provided to all the joinees here in the session, kindly be ready with your book and take in few minutes of time. Just then start working on that page. Okay, students, first of all, you are going to show me how much you have done. Okay, from last session till this session, and then you are going to continue with your work. Either page 3 or page 2 is left, then kindly complete that and start on with page 3. Anyone who would like to voluntarily show me their page 2, or should I call out your names and then you are going to start presenting? Students,
Ma'am, I will do it first.
focus, go on. Visible.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, last time I've shown you the registration page. Now it's home page. I have
Mm.
created a slider and I have just this much of content for it, like this in the footer. Now I have to work at third page, ma'am.
Third page is regarding. Just don't stop presenting the way.
Okay, ma'am. It's about us, ma'am.
Okay. Spriti, I feel that the very less content is there in this second page. What all things you can add?
Um, Ma'am, I can add
Because
some.
if I look in a technical matter, there is one image slider that is going on, and one more. I guess a div is there which is displaying the brands, the various
Yes,
brand icons that you have
yes, ma'am.
kept, and that much is there in the page. So it is a little bit of less work, I can say, in a way.
Ma'am, I've created a login page. Like I've created the login page and registration page and feedback page also.
Didn't show that.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, this is the login page.
Are you able? That functionality is working.
Um, Not yet, ma'am. I have to do that. I just have designed the page,
Okay.
and this is the forward password. Like here we will add email and all.
Mm,
And yes, ma'am, the feedback page.
okay. But again, like any CSS have been provided requirement, CSS requirements or anything done.
Yes, ma'am. It's like in the registration page. In the registration page, it is given, and in the login page as well. But it will not work because I'm not in, and done things like any functionality of the registration page yet.
Still, I feel that work is little bit less. You could have done more in this.
Yes, ma'am.
So start completing those pages,
Yes, ma'am.
and then you go to the new page. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
All right. Anyone else? You show me how much you have done. I'm not saying specifically show me the second page or why have you not completed. Show me till what amount of work you have done.
May I share my screen, ma'am?
Yes, Vicky. Visible.
Yes, ma'am. I've made changes in the form
Hmm.
and add some link to this icons. And like, um, I was supposed to do meal type, but then I'm facing some problem that after clicking this, there should be one pop up. I've made one sample.
Hmm.
It's working individually, like in other another page, but when I integrated in my web page, it is not working. So I'm still figuring that out, that how it will work, or
You want
something property is conflicting with it or not.
you want the pop-up to be done in the same page itself.
Yes, here, like whenever somebody clicks on this, the recipe should be popped up.
Okay.
So still doing that, and did this contact page.
All right. Continue with it.
Yes,
Regarding
ma'am.
that pop-up, I'll come back to you then at the end.
Ma'am, I'm doing, but like I need to like still work on it that what properties is conflicting because there are so many CSS pages like in the template, so I need to check every page.
Can you show me where you have done that sample model
Yes, ma'am.
coding?
Ma'am, this is the CSS part for that. And this is the JavaScript for it. I
HTML coding.
used the same for the sample one. It's working in another page, but not working with this. So I think that there is some property which is conflicting.
Show me the HTML code.
Sorry, ma'am, I'm not able to hear you. Your voice is very low.
HTML. HTML coding.
Yeah, ma'am, there is only this thing to be implemented for HTML.
Hmm. Okay, I'll give. And where is it running? The HTML code you were talking about, that there it is running. So where have you tried that? And
Yes,
it
I'll
was
share
running
that.
according to your expectation.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I use the same. Everything is same from CSS to JavaScript.
Do one thing in your HTML file
Yes, ma'am.
where you want this particular thing to run.
Hmm.
Give the path of this file.
Okay, I'll
Or
show
what
you.
you can do is,
Huh.
change the name of this file to style1.css.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and keep this file in your folder. For example,
Okay.
in that Kabita's kitchen folder. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
and then you give the you access the style1.css in your HTML wherever you want.
Okay, ma'am.
All right, and disable your original style.css for a few minutes for testing purpose. Okay,
Okay, ma'am. I'll do that.
all right. Anybody else would like to present voluntarily?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Yasin. Raj, you'll be the next. Yasin, present the screen.
Visible, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. Is it visible? Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, here is my second page. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, may I stop presenting? Ma'am, about the products page, ma'am. All products will be shown in the page. Okay. Now, may I stop presenting, ma'am? Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Why so?
बाकी अभी मैं बाकी है
मनन शुरू हो जाओ, और थोड़ा
ओके
लुक
मैम
एंड फील चेंज कर सकते हो तो थोड़ा करना, ठीक है?
ओके मैम
स्मिथ, स्मिथ,
यस मैम।
प्रेजेंट करो स्क्रीन।
यस मैम। मैम मैंने आपको मैसेज किया था पहले ही, क्या नाम, मेरा रिनोवेशन चल रहा है घर में, तो मैं थोड़ा सा पीछे हूँ। मैंने अभी तक लॉगिन पेज ही बनाया है। आई मेक यू श्योर कि नेक्स्ट लैब में मैं सेकेंड पेज और थर्ड पेज में बना दूंगा।
ठीक है, अभी जितना बनाया है उतना दिखा दो।
ओके मैम।
ओके, इसकी वैलिडेशन हो गई है? आई डोंट थिंक सो।
सॉरी मैम।
वैलिडेशन स्मिथ हो गया है?
मीन्स
मतलब अगर बिना कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन मैं क्रिएट अकाउंट पे अगर मैं क्लिक करूँ तो वो मैसेज ऐसे नहीं देना चाहिए कि अकाउंट क्रिएटेड,
हाँ
उल्टा इट
हाँ
शुड शो मी दैट फील्ड्स आर रिक्वायर्ड,
हाँ हाँ,
तो वो
यू नीड
वैलिडेशन।
टू इनपुट समथिंग। हाँ मैम, वो
ओके
थोड़ा मैं चेंजेस कर दूँगा।
ठीक है, स्टॉप प्रेजेंटिंग। देवांश
यस मैम।
कितना किया है दिखा दो।
यस मैम।
विजिबल।
This is the second page I have created,
हम्म
and now I am going to work on services and about Udaipur.
ओके, ऊपर जाओ तो इसके ब्लॉग में जाना।
Which ma'am?
ब्लॉग का जो ऑप्शन है ना वहां पे, उस पे जाना।
Yes ma'am. Ma'am,
नीचे जाओ।
it is in the template only.
हाँ ये टेम्पलेट मेरा देखा हुआ है, इसीलिए मैंने कहा कि ब्लॉग में जाना। आपकी क्लास में से एक और एक है जिसने ये सेम टेम्पलेट लिया है। कॉन्टैक्ट अस में जाओ, कॉन्टैक्ट के पेज में। नीचे ठीक है। ओके, नेक्स्ट आप कौन सा कर रहे हो पेज अभी?
Ma'am, services or about Udaipur.
सर्विसेज और अबाउट
About
उदयपुर।
Udaipur.
ओके ठीक है। जश
यस मैम।
प्रेजेंट करो स्क्रीन। विजिबल।
विजिबल।
हाँ हाँ, आपका रिटेल नहीं, आपकी डेफिनेशन।
रिव्यू वेबसाइट प्रोडक्ट्स के रिव्यू में कैसे बिजनेस।
ओके तो ये एक पेज ही किया है ऐसा है,
यस मैम।
और इसमें भी ज्यादा कोडिंग मुझे नहीं दिख रही है। टेम्पलेट के साथ कर रहे हो, खुद से कर रहे हो?
खुद से कर रहे हो।
हाँ तो फिर दिख रही है, टेम्पलेट लिया होता तो नहीं दिख रही है।
नहीं दिख
कोडिंग
सकते।
देखो। हम्म ओके, नेक्स्ट पेज कौन सा करने वाले हो?
कोई भी करूँगा एप्लीकेशन रैंकिंग या।
एप्लीकेशन या रैंकिंग, कोई एक ही?
हाँ करूँगा एप्लीकेशन।
ओके ठीक है, स्टॉप करो। ऑलराइट स्टूडेंट्स, start working on your page. And Vidhi, coming back
Yes, ma'am. I
to you.
implemented what you said, but
Hmm.
yet it's not working. So now I'm thinking that whenever I'll come to campus, I'll show you my whole code because there are so many files to be checked.
Okay, fine. No problem. You guys write your numbers in the chat so that I can stop the recording because now it is you guys who have to work. I don't have much instructions to give you all. So kindly write your numbers in the chat so that I can get your numbers in the chat transcript. It's okay, you can write BD and AI together, no problem this time. Very few of you are there. So I don't think it is going to get creating any confusion.